Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add a sticky header to Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Now to add a sticky header, you need to customize your theme. So head over to your online store, themes, then click on customize. On the top, you will be able to see that we have this announcement bar. Below that we have our header. So to make it sticky, what you're going to do is simply head over to sticky header and click on always. Once you do that, if you scroll down, you can see that's how you add a sticky header to Shopify store. Now it is sticking to the top, and wherever you're gonna simply scroll, it is gonna come with a long scroll. So that's how easy you can add it. I hope this was helpful, and also you can subscribe to our channel. That is going to be pretty helpful. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.